OhMD uses voice AI and messaging agents built on Twilio to automate routine requests while preserving empathy and human connection.
I'm Ethan Bechdel. I'm the co-founder and CEO of OhMD.
At the core of OhMD, what guided how you approach patient communication?
Yeah, we always believed that better conversations in healthcare led to better patient experiences. So everything that we do and everything we've always done has been around improving conversations and making them easier for patients.
Who is Nia, and what problem did you build her to solve?
Nia is OhMD's AI agent. All of the phone calls, the patients on hold, the callbacks and phone tag, the voicemails, all of that stuff, we use Nia, we built Nia to address all of the more routine calls that come in to free people up on the practice side to have real conversations. And so really what that means is Nia can take a patient call about setting up an appointment, and it can set up that appointment for the patient.
So I'm curious, how does that handoff work, and where does Twilio come into play?
Twilio gives us the flexibility to build and integrate on top of current functionality within a practice. So plugging into their IVR, SMS messaging, all of the tools that we leverage around calling and video, we really rely on Twilio to provide us the platform to build on. When a process is automated, like an appointment that needs to be scheduled, when it's automated all the way through, we're still using Twilio to pass information back and forth between the patient and the practice. When a conversation is more complex or it requires that people get on the phone, or even that people have a two-way conversation about something, we have a handoff system. We have escalations that we use, or handoffs from the AI to real humans that are sitting there waiting to help where patients need them. And so we really rely on Twilio to give us the flexibility to build faster and to innovate on their platform as they continue to innovate for customers like us.
When everything is working as intended, what changes for patients and care teams?
What changes for patients is a feeling of access that they've never had before. Being able to check something off of their list for the day. What we've seen is on the patient side, there's so much room for improvement, as we know in an imperfect system, that the bar is really low for improving the patient experience. And there are so many opportunities to deliver better care through better conversations. On the practice side, if you think about healthcare workers and specifically front office people who are answering the phones all day long, their lives change entirely. Imagine going into work every day and your sole responsibility is to pick up the phone and book appointments all day long, and the phone never stops. The second you think you can take a sip of coffee, you were wrong, the phone is ringing again, and you have to pick it up and click through to book an appointment. The phone stops ringing the way it used to. And now you see people on the practice side really doing work they got into healthcare to do. And so that's what we're most excited about, because we don't see an end in sight to where we can improve the lives of both patients and the folks on the practice side. When you invest in technology like this, there's such a great opportunity to drive efficiency across an organization. So your team is being more efficient. And so there are operational improvements that you can really easily make, which translates to a more efficient business. And then on the revenue side, if you're looking to book appointments for a practice and you want to book as many as possible, you can't leave patients on hold and you can't not answer the phone. And we're opening up bandwidth to allow those things to happen automatically. And there's a lot of value there.